Do you know that one of the easiest way you can actually make money on cryptocurrency is by mining crypto tokens? Although it seems so expensive, because for you to actually mine crypto tokens, it means you have to buy mining licenses, which tend to be very expensive. But the good news is, with new technologies, you can now rent these licenses, or rather you can actually rent nodes that can end up on a daily basis mine tokens for you. Now, if you must mine tokens, you have to actually get tokens that are backed by real commodity in the real life. And talking of renting, how much will it cost you? Now, with $275, you can actually rent a node that help you mine tokens cycle of 60 days, where you can actually make up to $300 or $400 in profit. So I suggest you add mining tokens to your extra source of income. That is, if you have interest to make money online through cryptocurrency.